you have braid for a long time and it's time to remove it out, but you don't have anyone to do your hair for you, or you've got a short of product that you don't know exactly how to maintain the hair when you remove the braid. Don't worry, stay with me, keep watching, and I'll show you how you can fix or how you can style your beautiful hair the moment you remove the braid, while there's no way to refix it immediately. Stay with me and keep watching. I love you. Have a seat and be patient with me.
Abusuafo ema munyina akwa baba the breaking news segment of Remind family. Na me to aso na me kai mo se eye nua ba Anastasia Patience Adano. Mesre se monko YouTube ne channel no edin ene Anastasia Patience Adano. Na mon subscribe afen so mo amo Facebook no. Mon follow ni page no ne din ene Patience. I'll leave the links to the YouTube channel and to the Facebook page in the description of this video. Send a bit amubetimi afaso. Na support our mother ama Remind family all this while no. I'm pleading with you guys to give our dear sister the same support. Send a bit on also any pa e woni mu no enka ni mu na eja. Sa nepa no obetimi ede aboa Ghana for menka ne sa. Ebusua anopai die anase awie anase anadwe depending on where you are watching me from. Areho semmo a ababeto me deck so ene se eye kasua. Abemua a wedi 11 years yakunu ya teenagers mienu bi ekun abemua a wedi 11 years ya na according to investigations no say omukun no say omode ne pass ekwa kwaje eyesikadro na say ritual killings yankanisa na it baffles me chese nia ebetimi ama teenagers mienu ekun abofra wedi 11 years omode no kwaje sikadro ehimfa na Ghana ekwe eyarehosem ehun screenshot na mo hu screen no so no and I read this is being reported by Ghana Web. Kasua murder killers planned to use 11-year-old victim for rituals. The police. The Ghana Police Service on Sunday evening released its first official statement on the widely reported Kasua ritual murder incident. And the police was clarifying the name and age of the deceased as Ishmael Mensah, who was 11 years old. Also confirmed the identities of the two suspects. Media reports identified the deceased as Ishmael and his age as 10 years. The police statement also confirmed that the suspects had violently killed Ishmael and had planned to use his body parts for ritual purposes. Meanwhile, Ghana Web visited the family house of the deceased and spoke to his father, who said the family will use other means to achieve justice if the law does not take its course. Na arehosemu a esi ewo Kasua no ni edi kan no mema akwada no ne papa ene ne maame na busuafo yakọ ya ye pa se obewo ba ya pa se obewo ba na sebi watete na manafa kindergarten wawura primary enya emfie 11 years na obetete yakuno na nia ebesa ma no aye o yakrampo ni se kuna yekun no yese omu a omukun no omu de ne pass ekwakoye money rituals and say sikedro. Very sad. These things only happen in Ghana, these things only happen in Africa. Now I don't blame Nkwadano so much because one, they are teenagers. On say omu shede nyi biasa enti odie yankan say they are minors na omu sheda enimnia omu ye yankan sa. I blame first of all the media. I blame first of all the media. Nientia me blame media no eno ne say on say Ghana media no it is full of sa kind of content, you know. Ubehuna yakofa malam bi ababetena so, ubehuni yakofa konfo bi ababetena so, ubehuna sika gari fo bi nemu, ena yema sika gari, ena yeye double money, ena ye say na rituals nkoa ena ye media no. Those are the content you put it on our media, and those are the content we are feeding the younger generation with. Inti bisa won say obi a already onyi na TV a wo hwe na ye brainwash ne say onya obi pass ba na say onya bibi ba ye betimi aye nyankoma de bi ama no enya sika. Ye say okura 1000 cedis na so ba ye betimi adobo ama no be 10,000 cedis kura che say ye triple me hu de wa misinka no po. Na say saa nipa no onye nyina no insesenka obe believe in hard work, insesenka obe believe in working smart, we use the media to brainwash them to believe say there are lots of shortcuts to riches. Now say all you need to do is to kill somebody and maybe take the heart or take a knee of the body and present it to the malam or to the juju man or something for money, which is very sad. And nuntina ama youth no ebinom ashasia omo edis anyambrasem no. Secondly, so I blame the Ghana movie industry. Most of your movies are you producing Sikedro movies. The Biameka say me Sikedro ni because me who Sikedro biada. But to the young fan say, let us blindly believe we say Sikedro bi oho. There is no blood money on this planet which can make you as rich as Jeff Bezos. I repeat. There is no blood money on this planet. Ebema Enyes Kati said Jeff Bezos and I say Bill Gates and I say Mark Zuckerberg there be and I say Google boys there be. Sike drew pie ni hwa ebema Enyes asikano. Into the young say sike drew mpo hwa na uku obi edi akwaje 3-bedroom house. Aje saloon car ba ku bi esi ofie na wanya iPhone bi akura na wanya ntade mienu ba ku bi ahyehe wardrobe mu. Sabi. It's not worth it. Uku ni pao, this kind of cheap things in the most of the advanced countries, those things are nothing. Uku nipa na wadwen ye say o de no kwaje sebi some, it's not worth it. Media, especially South American Ghana movie industry, so they are also to blame because scripter omo tro and as movies are omo ye no. Ne dodo na asike draw content ni too much. Let us face the reality. Yenye movies, yenfa content ebema Ghana for a facing reality. Reality ne say, if you want to make money or if you want to become rich, don't go into politics. Because in politics, before you be able to become rich, you have to steal. Go into business or look for problems and offer solutions. Very simple. If you want to be rich, look for problems and offer solutions. In Tukwa Bruchira, esan say they don't brainwash their children with those kind of content, Say usiso na say opese oye odefo a eya na omo eta create, omo eta invente. On say memfa Mark Zuckerberg any example. Mark Zuckerberg etna ase e no dwen yese no. Ewiase be bia ye dru na wo say yenya social media platform bia ebetimi unite the world. Ebetimi connect people from all walks of life. Into menkan say one platform and I say one ecosystem. Enti bia will be irrespective of your race, irrespective of whichever geographical location you are. Near here say we be creating accounts now so you become part of that global assembly. And now odi creative Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg or launched Facebook whilst he was in Harvard University. Today the guy is a billionaire. Today the guy is fucking and filthy rich. And yes, he can drop in or call ye, when cool be, and I won't come of Frebby, and I won't come on Chibi, and I won't cool Dranby, or you soon not Jane, and I and Wababe billionaire. The same thing applies to Jeff Bezos or creating Amazon. Today the guy is making lots of money. The same thing applies to Yankasa, SpaceX, Elon Musk. And also, these guys are rich as a result of their intelligence, not as a result of killing somebody for money or killing an 11-year-old boy or girl. No. Stop believing in ritual money. Stop believing in blood money. They don't exist. A illusion. Ubeku obi ed in the past nako. Malam no onyeske biyama. Waku nipa no kwasi yakum. One reason so you end up in Nsawam prison. One end up in Nsawama. Ankafo will be your portion. It is sabim prebiasa. Yema ya dreno nye juma. Yema ya dream no juma. Yem facing reality. Na yenya is abribian. We think shortcut to money be or hona. Ena mekwa Jessica drone na yesika gari na wan ni na na da. Ni na no na da nti yenyi sa content ni na free your system no. I am entreating all the stakeholders, Ghana Media Full, Ghana Communication Authority in Su. I don't know which media is solely responsible for the TV, programs near there. But I can say the stakeholders involved, they should come in and streamline the media houses. Yenyai akonfo na yede omobaso no yenyai asofo ne malamfo na yede omobaso na yemfa intelligent people mra yemfa omo a ombekire Ghana for how to even develop a software yemfa omo a ombekire Ghana for how to be creators, how to be innovative. Say yenkire omo business plan, say even getting out of school no I will say upese ura into business you have to get a business plan and try to get some collateral and get some capital and you'll be in business. These are the realities of life. I was say yechire yamano, I was say yechire Ghana for enye sike dro ni sika gari ni hwan gari ni ade. Sa nyoma na those are the things I cause sa never we now because bisa say teenagers mienu let's say they are minors and now him say being minors especially being in this part of the world they are still under the care of their parents. Eti e dear pe na ebema emrante wa mienu even I conceive that idea say yenku obi emfane kwajiska. They say the media has been brainwashing these guys for a very long time. And on America no. Say yenyi sa brainwash no. Na yenyi sa content na yen free ho. Anya sa yenyi sa content no free ho. Na se ekoso church sa nioma no e na sika duro e na sika gari e na hwan say e na double money e na triple money e na sunsum wi ase money sunsum wi ase World Bank bi ani ho sunsum wi ase sabi Bank of Ghana bi ani ho mo amonam Ghana malamfo ne akonfo ne asofo na mo say mutumi double sika ne gari ni hwan no. Bank of Ghana needs your services, not the people of Ghana. Ghana de kapa. Ghana de ka enti mo say se mutumi double sika na se mo say mutumi blood money na se mo say mutumi chante sika dia and your Bank of Ghana need your services. There is no need for Ghana to go to IMF or World Bank to have to borrow money and I say to seek for loan. Whilst we have malams and pastors and prophets who are able to chant money and do ritual money for people. Ye ma ye ni na ho wate menu anom ye ba ye ni na ho na yi adwen free sa anuma no so anya sa your society no ebeko so aye barbaric sa anya sa this kind of ritual killings they are never going to stop until we learn to streamline our media houses. Now omo enyi sa brainwashing content no free ho na yen sha se enfa content educate Ghana for content empower Ghana for content ema Ghana for think smart content ebeboa ama Ghana for working smart and putting the hard work to be able to achieve whatever they want to achieve. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Ebusian for me demo ebesi ha. Sani amu ina amu nimno me din Eddie George Free Mind. Makramo.